Hey everyone, so welcome to our leads capturing module. So I want to walk you through a couple different resources that I've found that have really helped in acquiring email addresses as well as contact information, business name, websites, all the pertinent stuff that you'll need in order to insert those into your emails a little bit later on. But one of the best ones that I've found that really no one else is using, and that's another thing, is when I'm using resources like this, I like to find things that other people are not using, just like I like, emails, outgoing emails that no one else is using. So Lead Scrape is definitely one of those tools. Does a great job. The pricing is definitely in line. I actually started with the $97 version, and then I liked it so much that I upgraded to the $247 model. It has 7 different resources, but in my opinion, to start off with the $97 version works really well. And if you guys know how much data is, it is super expensive. I mean, you could spend, $500 on for a good list, 4,000 emails. So start off with the $97 version, and I'm going to show you guys real quick how it works. This is kind of an example of how it works. So basically, you'll just type in your niche and the city. You can upload a file of up to, I believe it's 10 cities. So if you want to, there are lists out there of top 10 most populated cities. You definitely be doing good. You select your output file. It's an Excel file. What do we want to scrape? Businesses, extract emails and social media. I don't ever click this, but there's also a verify emails tab, which is awesome. So it'll actually weed out bad emails for you. And the more things that you can run through and actually verify these emails, the better off you're going to be. So definitely take advantage of that. And then just basically search for business emails. And you can watch this thing go to town. It works really well. It'll take a minute or two to kind of get fired up. But I will just kind of leave this alone for now. And I'll move this over. So the second one that I want to tell you about, which is awesome, and it actually just allows you can scrape Gmail addresses. You can scrape, and you can actually pinpoint where you want to scrape from. So if you only want to scrape Instagram or LinkedIn email addresses, which is amazing, you can do that from here, and you do that with a custom Google search link. And these guys have an amazing setup tool or a setup page that shows you how to set this thing up. And I'll just kind of show you how to set it up. So you run it through an incognito Gmail window, all right? So it'll be up here, and you'll load your cities. These come preloaded. You can type @Gmail as far as your pattern. And let's just search dentists, and then we're going to search @gmail.com, New York City, LA, so all your major cities. You just, I'm going to not click deep search, but I'm just going to click start, and you guys can kind of see how it works. So it goes through this custom Google search, and it literally pulls these email addresses from all these web pages. It's awesome. I'm telling you guys, this is probably one of the most valuable tools that I've ever found as far as email scraping. As far as the pricing, they do have a free trial. The pricing, it's only $66. So coupled with Lead Scrape, you could drop $97 on Lead Scrape and then $66 on this. And you can have these things going in the background and scrape hundreds of thousands of email addresses. So this $200 would would definitely cover you as far as your scraping goes. And then you'll have to drop just a little bit of money on cleaning the emails. But I'm telling you guys, these two tools combined together, you pretty much got everything covered. Let's just kind of drop back here. Actually, let's start with lead scrape first. So I started this 5 minutes ago, and we've already got 312 businesses. We got 150 emails, and it's verifying emails as we go. So you go to bed at night and fire this thing up, you wake up with 5,000 businesses, and away you go. You can start your campaign. Again, guys, highly recommend both these tools. And let's see how we're doing here. So this one, 151 emails, and it starts in New York. As you can see up here, actually it's in Chicago right now. So it'll go down through all these major cities and start collecting these emails. So really two amazing tools. I'm going to click out of it now, but two amazing tools. So we got Lead Scrape and SERP Digger, and I promise you will thank me on this a little bit later. But I think that's pretty much it, guys. Again, we're always here for your success, and if you ever have any questions, please feel free to let us know. Thanks, guys.